Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to properly mark an invoice as paid in QuickBooks Online, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly, accurately, and with zero confusion. Whether you're a small business owner, bookkeeper, or freelancer, this simple trick will save you time and keep your records perfectly clean. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head to the QuickBooks Online website. In the top right corner, click Sign In. Enter your email and password. Just make sure everything's typed correctly for secure access. Once you're in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard where all your business finances are managed. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Sales. This is where all your invoices, payments, and customer transactions are organized. Think of it as your financial control center, eh? Everything you need to track what's owed and what's been paid lives right here. Under the Sales tab, click on Invoices. You'll see a full list of all your customer invoices. Find the one you want to mark as paid, and when you've got it, click Receive Payment on the right-hand side. This action opens a payment window for that specific invoice. Now it's time to record the payment. Enter the payment amount, choose the payment method, whether it's cash, check, or bank transfer, and add the transaction date. Double check these details carefully to avoid any errors. Once everything looks good, hit Save and Close. QuickBooks will instantly update the invoice status to paid. Here's the best part. QuickBooks automatically tracks and updates your payment records, keeping your financial data accurate without manual effort. After marking the invoice as paid, it's always smart to send your client a payment confirmation. You can do this directly through QuickBooks or via email. It's a professional touch that builds trust and keeps your communication clear. And that's it. You've just learned how to mark an invoice as paid in QuickBooks Online, the right way, every time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below sharing your QuickBooks tips or questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.